Meaning of dissolve.
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 Dissolve. Dissolve refers to the process of a substance mixing evenly with a liquid to form a solution. When a substance dissolves, its molecules separate and spread throughout the liquid, creating a homogeneous mixture. The result is a clear or transparent liquid with no visible particles or sediment. Dissolving can occur naturally, such as when sugar dissolves in tea, or chemically, such as when an acid dissolves in water. This process is utilized in various industries, including pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, and chemical manufacturing.